Welcome to Panda Remit, How to Send Money tutorial. Step 1. Select a destination where you want to send your money. You can type in the search box or scroll down to find your country of destination, then press it. Step 2. Type the origin amount or the destination amount. Then, click Send Now. Step 3. Choose a recipient by clicking Add a recipient. Step 4. Choose your receive method. You can select e-wallet, cash pickup, or bank account. Fill up the recipient information with complete details. Then, click Next. Step 5. Read the quick reminder, then press Got it. You can now select the added recipient and carefully review the order details. Then, click Pay Now. Step 6. Select the payment method. You can select FPS, WeChat, Alipay, or e-banking transfer. We recommend to use FPS for real-time transfer and fast arrival. Step 7. Payment details. Here you can see the payment details where you should transfer the payment for your remittance order. You can swipe to left to see the other bank details and swipe again to right to go back to the previous one. After you made your payment transfer, you can now click the order details. Final step, you can see here the transaction number and order details. The status of your order will be updated on top. You can click Transfer now if you missed the bank details from the previous steps. If you changed your mind about the payment method, you can click Change to see the other payment methods and their details. Please note that your order will expire after 24 hours if we have not received any payment. If you made a mistake, you can just simply make a new order by repeating the process. Please do not make multiple orders as this will not speed up the process. If you want to inform your loved ones about your remittance, click the I have transferred and click the Notify Recipient. Select the message method or click Cancel if you changed your mind. Take a screenshot of your order details for future reference. Thank you for watching.